Okay, so I just stumbled upon this terminal emulator called Cool Retro Term that looks exactly like those old cathode screens.
Wait, seriously. I love that retro vibe. How does it actually mimic those old screens?
It's designed to be eye candy and customizable, which is pretty cool. It even has settings for colors and fonts.
That's fascinating. I mean, it must really appeal to nostalgia. But does that actually improve functionality?
Great point. I think it's more about the aesthetic experience. You know, it could make coding feel more enjoyable.
True, but doesn't that also risk making it less practical? I mean, old tech wasn't exactly user-friendly.
Exactly, it's a balance. But if you're using it for fun or for learning, the looks might enhance motivation.
I can see that. But what if someone is used to modern interfaces? Wouldn't they find it frustrating?
That's a valid concern. Plus, I wonder if the performance is on par with more traditional emulators.
Good question. It's described as reasonably lightweight, but how does it handle more intensive tasks?
Right, and it runs on Linux and macOS with Qt5 support. But what if you're not familiar with that ecosystem?
Totally, it might alienate some users. Is it easy to install on different systems?
Yeah, you can find it packaged in official repositories like Ubuntu or Fedora, which is convenient.
That's great. Convenience can overcome some barriers, but are there any drawbacks?
Well, customization might not appeal to everyone, especially if it's overwhelming.
Right, too many options can cause choice paralysis. And what about updates? Are they regular?
Good point, the GitHub page has releases, so I assume they keep it updated, but how often?
Consistency is key. If updates are sporadic, users might feel abandoned. That could hurt its reputation.
Exactly, and if it doesn't keep pace with security patches, that's a huge red flag.
Yeah, security is non-negotiable. But for casual users, the retro look is a nice touch.
Totally, it reminds me of using old computers in school. There's a charm to it.
Absolutely. That nostalgia could spark interest in programming for younger generations.
Right? It's like a gateway to learning, but I still wonder if it's suitable for advanced users.
That's tricky. Advanced users might prefer efficiency over aesthetics. It's a balancing act.
Exactly, so it might be perfect for beginners but could frustrate pros. What do you think?
That sounds about right. But maybe that's where the customization can help bridge the gap.
True, users could adapt it to suit their needs, but would they bother?
Good point. Some might enjoy the challenge, while others just want simplicity.
I guess it's all about the user's mindset. The fun factor could motivate exploration.
Definitely. And if it gets people coding, that's a win, right? But what's the learning curve like?
It seems straightforward, but I wonder if the retro aspect complicates things.
That could be. Plus, we should consider how well it integrates with modern tools.
Exactly, if it doesn't play nice with newer software, it could limit its appeal.
That's a solid concern. But on the flip side, that retro look might inspire creativity.
For sure, it can spark ideas or projects, so it's not just functional but inspirational.
Interesting. So, maybe it's about finding that sweet spot between nostalgia and utility.
Absolutely, and that leads to a bigger question. How do we balance nostalgia with modern needs?
While that's deep, nostalgia can drive innovation if we use it wisely, right?
Exactly, it's all about learning from the past while pushing forward. What a unique challenge.
Totally. It's like designing a bridge between generations of technology. It's exciting.
And who knows, we might see more retro-inspired tech if Cool Retro Term finds success.
That would be cool. But we should keep questioning. Are we ready to embrace such blends?
Great final thought, balancing nostalgia with progress could define the future of tech.
Absolutely. It leaves us pondering how we navigate that journey as technology evolves.